Hey guys, if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, make sure you guys watch the end of this video. Honestly guys, the trials and tribulations that come with doing your own hair are not spoken about enough. I wanted to give up 1,000 times, but the end results are always so rewarding. The parting makes me want to give up before I even started. My hands are on fire, like the lines are not going the way I want it to go. Like, why is it doing shugu shaka zigzag? Like, I don't even know where to start from. Like, I would literally turn the other way, it's really straight. I would turn back, it's crooked. As you guys can see here, I am literally just wrapping my hair, the kinky twist around my natural hair, like around 5 times or more or less, depending on how tight I feel like the grip is. And then I twist, and I twist like to the end of the kinky hair before adding another piece of hair, just so it can be longer. If you know me, you know I love long hair. Like, I literally haven't done hair that is above my waist in a very long time. I don't usually add color to my hair, so this is a very historical moment for me. This is literally amazing. Like, if you know me, you know I never add color to my hair. It's normally my mom that always like convinces me, saying, no, it will look cute something, it's gonna look nice, just add it. And she's always right. But literally the only reason why I don't normally like adding color to my hair is, first of all, I feel like it doesn't look cohesive. Like, I feel like you can spot the mistakes I make more when I add color to my hair. And also I feel like black or 1B can literally go with every single outfit you wear. Obviously that's just my brain tricking me, because at the end I literally felt like it looks so cute. Like, as you guys saw in the clip at the beginning, I feel like it really came together well. I was mindful not to add too much of this ginger coppery blondish color to my hair, but I feel like I added just about enough. But yeah, I was just twisting. My hands were crying. I was like, God, please help me, Nyiramaka, Bataramoto Nyimaka, like. But I was literally so tired. I was like, God, when am I actually gonna finish this hair? And at this point I was like, am I gonna be able to finish both me and my sister's hair and my mom's hair before going back to university? Ding, I did not. So I'm gonna have to go back home in a week or 2 weeks time to finish their hair. But anyways guys, let me leave you guys to keep watching, and I'm gonna play you guys such a beautiful song that I absolutely love and is very dear to my heart, so please enjoy it. Bye. Nothing will happen today. Nothing will happen today. Your question got more sota. Mommy water got more sota. 1 minute got more sota. Your mother got more sota. Some man got more sota. I can see them. Look at them now. Look at that one man standing before you falling. Look at him now falling. You must fall. Now fall. Fall now. Fall now and perish. Fall in the name of Jesus. Hey! Ole! 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 Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I absolutely love the outcome. If you guys would like your hair done by me, make sure you guys go and follow my Instagram and book your appointment with me today. Love you guys. Bye.